Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing the workspace and safety items so the job is quick and clean. Replace the cabin air filter every 12,00015,000 miles or every 12 months to maintain airflow and reduce odors. Locate the cabin air filter behind the glove box on most Hyundai Elantra models. Consult the owner manual for exact year variations. Wear nitrile gloves and have a soft brush, new filter, and flathead screwdriver ready to avoid debris and damage. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and disconnect the negative battery cable if you will be working near electrical components. Open the glove box and push in the sides to release the glove box stops so it lowers fully without forcing the hinges. Detach the dampener arm with a flathead screwdriver if present, then let the glove box rest and access the filter housing. Locate the rectangular filter cover, release the retaining tabs, and remove the cover. Pull out the old filter straight back, note the airflow arrow orientation, and inspect for leaves, dust, or mold. Use a soft brush or vacuum to clean the housing, removing loose debris before you install the replacement filter. Install the new cabin air filter and confirm the airflow arrow points toward the blower motor. An incorrect orientation reduces filtration and can cause noise. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the blower motor and ensure it seats fully in the housing. Reinstall the cover, reattach the dampener arm, lift the glove box, and snap the stops back into place securely. Turn the ignition on, run the AC on high for 5 minutes, and verify stronger airflow and reduced odor. Record the date and mileage, such as 12,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.